So today we will be learning about vaccine vial monitor. So what is a vaccine vial monitor? Vaccine vial monitor is a temperature monitoring device that accompanies vaccine throughout supply chain. Okay. So as you know, vaccines can sustain only a particular range of temperature beyond which it will degrade. Now VVM is a chemical indicator label attached to the vaccine container. With temperature change, color of VVM also changes. As we increase the temperature, the inner square, this is the VVM label. So there is an outer circle and inner square. This inner square color is faint and the outer is darker. Okay, outer circle is darker. And if the color of this inner square is the same as the outer circle, that means that the vaccine vial has been exposed to large amount of heat and should be discarded. Okay, so this is the diagram where you can clearly understand. This is the normal vial of vaccine. Here the inner square is faint and the outer circle is darker. Then on exposure to heat, there the color of the inner square and the outer circle becomes same. Okay, at this point you have to discard this, and this is the further stage when excess amount of heat is exposed. So here the color of the square gets darker than the outer circle, which is exactly opposite of what a viable vaccine should have. There are 4 types of VVM which are chosen to match heat sensitivity of a vaccine. It is VVM2, 7, VVM14 and VVM30. And 30 is the time in days required to reach the discarding point, where the discarding point is the when the square and the circle will have same temperatures, okay, at 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this signifies that 2 days are required to degrade this vaccine at 37 degrees Celsius. It needs 14, it needs 7. Okay, now what are the purposes of VVM? First, as it is a heat monitor, so temperature monitor, so heat damaged vaccine should not be administered. This is the first purpose. Then second, which of the vaccine can be safely kept after cold chain break occurs to minimize vaccine wastage. So if somewhere the chain breaks, as you know, the cold chain is a transport chain or supply chain. If it breaks somewhere, then which vaccine should be kept so that we can minimize the vaccine wastage. And third one is to decide which vaccine to use first according to its degradation. Okay, so note, VVM don't measure exposure to freezing temperatures. Okay, only normal temperatures are monitored. Okay, so this was VVM. And where is the location of VVM? This is also an important thing. So one on the label, one thing is on the label, or the other than label, it is on the neck or the cap of the ampule. Okay, so on the label, once the vial is opened, so you can use the vial for 28 days. But if it is on the ampule, see here in the diagram it is shown, if on the vial, then it can be used for 28 days. And if on the ampule, once you break this neck, it cannot be used for 28 days. It has to be discarded in 6 hours. Okay, so this was a vaccine vial monitor. You can take the screenshot of the notes.